So the first thing I want to do is to write this command. So this will make sure that it will block every hackers. So we have this database. Any hacker inside here should be blocked. It doesn't matter what you're trying to do. If you're trying to do something as innocent as pinging, or if you're trying to do something as dangerous as scanning my ports, doesn't matter. Just block whoever is in that list. So that's why I hit that. You can see the rule is applied. You can see the firewall acts as this rule as number one. Second rule, this rule causes the user to be flagged. So you did something you're not supposed to do and you're flagged, and first rule will keep on blocking you no matter what you're doing. So you have to wait 10 seconds until you're not flagged anymore. It's very obvious here that it's setting a new source IP. So it's going to flag your source IP address. Imagine you're trying to do something very malicious. It just drops the packet and doesn't reply. Then number three, so it makes sure that if you're not a hacker, then it will try to remove you from the hacker list. So let's say you're no longer doing any hacker stuff anymore. Say you're just doing something as innocent as pinging. We allow you for all this time. Then you did something as bad as scanning maybe PostgreSQL ports, and you get banned for 10 seconds. You cannot longer ping. You can no longer do anything on the system. And let's say you took a break and you came back after 10 seconds. The system will permit you, and it will remove you from the hacker list. You can monitor this file and see whoever is coming to this file, what the source IP and everything. So let's keep in mind, this is one system, this is another system. Red Hat hacker is trying to hack the system. We're going to try to ping the system. So you can see pinging the system. You can actually even monitor the system. You guys can see they're getting replies, and if you know about pinging, you know what I'm talking about. You can see that I'm not really getting blocked or anything. Zero packet loss actually. I'm not a hacker. You can see I'm not flagged. Immediately I do something bad as scanning my ports. It's not really that bad, but it's not so good. Scan the system, trying to check if the Postgres database is alive. So we hit and voila. So you can see I am flagged as a potential hacker, and I cannot really do anything. So you can see the port, I cannot even ping anymore. So the pinging is failing woefully. And also if you check here, you can see the reject packets is being sent as unreachable. So this is the reject packet. So for every request that this is making, reject is coming back. Let's say I stop pinging for a while, back again. You can see it was not really 10 seconds yet, and you can see the time to leave is increasing. We are updating the 10 seconds every time we did not hit. So until you wait for a complete 10 seconds, that's when you're no longer a hacker. So let's see. We're gonna wait for like some seconds. Boom. And once we do that, you can see that the last guy removed me from the hacker list, so I'm no longer a hacker. And that's the work of the last one actually. The job of the last one is to remove you from the stuff if you're doing anything that is no longer malicious after 10 seconds, after the wait time. Let's just try for fun. I'm going to try to scan the port again, which is very not so good. Hit again, and I'm a hacker again, and that's it. Beautiful, right?